So you've probably seen the $1,000 in 30-day challenge and you've seen it's only $7 and you're thinking, oh, well, that's either a scam. It can't be real. How can you make $1,000 selling a $7 product? Well, this video is going to show you how you can do that, right? No holds barred, no hype, nothing like that. In fact, I'm not going to do any edits or anything on this video. We're just going to go straight for it. So if I make a mistake, I make a mistake. We'll leave it in. I will keep the video brief and I will show you how to do it. So if you stick around to the end, I'll tell you exactly how to get the traffic and everything as we go. I'll share with you what we're doing to make it happen, right? So the first product that you get a hold of is it's actually called Lead Lightning. That's the first step in the $1,000 in 30-day challenge, right? So as you can see, it pays $6 commissions and it's only $7 to buy. So this is where some people have reached out and said, yeah, but okay, if $1,000 in 30 days, 1,000 divided by 6 means I need to make 167 sales, right? To make $1,000 and 167 sales in anything in 30 days, you know, unless you're running a lot of ads and stuff. Yeah, sure, it's possible. But you know what? I'm a regular guy, right? I used to stack shelves in a supermarket. So I just want to, yeah, I've done good things, but I want to keep it real. You are unlikely to do it just at the $6 level, right? Now, there's a one-time offer on the page, which is an upgrade, and it's only $37. And probably about, I don't know, 4 out of 10 people will take that. You have to own it, right, to be able to get commissions from it. But you're talking, what, $37 plus 7, what's that, $44 total for a business that runs like this? Fantastic, right? That pays $25, right? And these are both one-time products. So now all of a sudden, okay, and by the way, if you're going, well, you have to buy that. You don't have to buy that. What you do is you can actually upgrade. It says it's a one-time offer, but I can show you where to upgrade. So you could, if you're short on money, and I believe pretty much everybody can afford $7 that would be watching this video, then you could sell some of these. And what do you need? Like 6 fours or 24. If you made 4 sales, you could afford to upgrade, right? So this is where it gets interesting. So if we come to that income calculator that they have here, let me just talk about these 2 levels and then I'll share with you the good stuff. So again, I'm going to keep it brief. Just bear with me for another couple of minutes, right? So if I can sell 20 of the low ticket, the $7 one-time things that gives me the $6 commission, the Lead Lightning, okay? If I can sell 20 of them, I make $120. I'm over 10% there of the way to the target to 1,000, right? With 20 sales, less than 1 a day. And if you do what I tell you to do in a couple of minutes, you stand a very good chance of doing that. But then how many of those do you think will also buy the bump? Well, my experience, but hey, look, I don't want to make a claim, but I would say about 4 out of 10, right? So now all of a sudden we've gone from 120 to 220. So you see how this works? If you can make 1 a day, okay, and still 4 out of 10 buy, you're up to 280 potentially, right? So still quite a way off the 1,000, but you can see what a difference that level makes. Now here's where it gets really fun, right? Here's where it gets really fun. So the next level up, and again, if you can't afford it straight away, you sell these until you can afford these, and then you'll be able to sell both of those until you can afford this, right? I want to make that very clear. Sometimes people can go, oh, you have to buy more, really. You do not have to buy more, and you can self-fund if you're low on funds, right? Now, Free Ad Secrets is $147 and it pays $100 commission. So with 2 sales, you're actually in profit, right? And I'll show you the product briefly. So it also, though, has a monthly element that is $54 a month after. And that, if you keep it up, what that does, it allows you to edit your pages. It allows you to keep all your own messages and do your own follow-up with them if you want to build a big list. And it's got some fantastic products in the back there as well, which I'll show you in a sec, just briefly though. Okay, now all of a sudden, $1,000 divided by just 10 of those is $1,000. So you can do it in as few as like 10 sales. In fact, you could do it as if I think it's 8 sales because people buy this and this and this. So it's what, 131. So 1,000 divided by 101 $131 in commissions on those three products. It's 7.6 sales. So as few as 8 sales. 7.6. There's my calculator. If you don't believe me, you can work it out yourself. And you see, now it gets fun. Now it gets interesting. Now, with the monthly, if people keep it up, okay, you get $20 a month from your personal referrals, but then you get a 50% matching bonus on your gold referrals, right? So if I refer 3 people, that's $60 a month. But if they went out and they referred 100 people between them, right, 100 times that 10, okay, all of a sudden makes me, my $1,000 a month, right? So $1,000 in 30 days, yeah, you go and you promote and you do your stuff, right? And this product, what can help you do that, the free ad secrets, you can see now why it's not actually as bad as it seems. Because people can start at $7, they can sell until they can afford the next level and the next level, okay? And if they get the free ad secrets, you get the 2025 playbook for generating leads and sales. This tells you how to get sales, right? Now, what I like about it though is particularly this. And I'm just going to show you these real quick. They have custom chat GPTs that they have made that will walk you through everything, right? How to get posts, how to create a webinar if you want to do a webinar. But the ones that are really good, like how to go viral, okay? The copywriter, so when you're doing your posts and putting stuff together, fantastic stuff, right? There is also in the back here, if we go to the coaching vault, somewhere in here, there is a fantastic, I won't take the time to look for it now, but there is a fantastic, I can't find it now. I don't use Craigslist, but there is a fantastic Craigslist. I understand if you're in America, especially, brilliant for doing your Craigslist ads, and Craigslist obviously is free. If you run an ad, that's paid, but you can put a post on Craigslist for free. Now, I want to talk about this all-in option, right? So people go all in, all in. Altogether, it's $2,000. It saves you $500, right? And again, you can fund up to this. So you spend 2,000, but it pays $1,500 commissions. And it's 2 sales, you're in good profit. But here's the cool thing. This is what's cool about this level in particular. You have to own the product to to get a commission from the product, right? So if I go back to the list here, right? This product, My Mastery Magic, this product, Home Business Pro, this product, Master Traffic Institute, right? People don't actually buy those because they tend to buy the all-in package, and that includes them. You get everything here in the all-in package, right? So people tend to go for it for that reason. Now, it's not 4 out of 10 like this package, but what happens is, because not so many people tend to buy that straight away, what happens is, if I referred you and you didn't take it, but then you did your marketing and somebody that you referred brought it, the commission would pass up to me. So I would get the $1,500 commission, even though I didn't do the work for the sale, which is pretty decent, right? So what tends to happen then is you get an email saying you missed out on a commission. People then tend to buy it, right? So now all of a sudden $1,000 in a month becomes pretty easy. And we haven't even talked about a $35 a month option yet, which pays us, right? So I just wanted you to understand the numbers so you could see for yourself how it worked. $1,000 in 30 days is not as difficult as it seems. And in fact, they don't even advertise really the recurring element of it that comes in. They don't really advertise hard the all-in package that makes it even easier. And they certainly don't talk about the fact that you can kind of self-fund if you can't afford to do them right away. Because obviously nobody wants to miss out on sales and pass-ups, right? But I appreciate, because I've been there, sometimes you can't afford it straight away, but you can upsell. Now listen, I said I would show you exactly what we're doing. So if you go to my Facebook and I go to Reels, we have This one went on today, it's 34. This is something else. This one went on today, 34 views. This one today, 167 views. This one yesterday, 176. That one yesterday, 89. That was something else, 64, 69, 205, 204. 627, 165. What you do is you just keep consistently posting these little videos. This one here, look, 681. And these have made us sales, guys. And we are using AI to make the videos, right? I recorded myself on these. And what we do is we put a fancy dancy little clip on the front like this. Like this one. Is this one?
Hey guys, I'm busy right now, but check out our new $1,000 in 30 days AI challenge.
Okay, so that's totally AI. And then if we show you which one, this one, here you go.
Truck pulled around.
Hey, those guys being chickens, I guess. And then this one.
This 30-day AI challenge shows network marketers how to get leads with AI and short videos. Get leads with AI and short videos.
Hey, are you a network marketer, affiliate marketer, or running a side hustle? And then I am just kind of explain a little bit more about, hey, look, if you use it for network marketing, affiliate marketing. Now, I told you exactly how I did it. This is how we're doing it, right? And also, let me just finish with another thing. Why are people buying it? It's not just about the commissions, guys. You can promote any other business that you want inside that funnel. So when there's a space for you to put your link, AI follows up. It emails. Hey, boring. Everybody emails. It sends SMS. That's a bit more interesting. But it also calls your leads to hopefully convert them into this system. And this system is designed for you to put your own link in, and that gets done as part of the email follow-up. Obviously, the AI doesn't know your business, so it can't talk about it in full detail, right? But you can put any website you want in there, right? So it promotes your system. You start for just $7. You can earn up to $1,500 commissions with it if you want to go up to that level. And we like it for those reasons. Okay, so I hope you got value from the video. I hope you can see how the numbers work now, and we'll see you on the next one. Like, subscribe if you don't mind. Look forward to seeing you soon. Cheers.